Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover all my crypto nodes projects. I will show you and be super transparent what projects I am gaining passive incomes on these projects. So I will share with you my list, where at what price I enter, how much I invested, if I am making money or not really. And I will cover each of these projects with you. I will give you my advice after all this time. So what I will be doing if you want to enter here. So I think you will find a lot of value in this video. So please watch it until the end. And before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well yes, in this project I will be super transparent with you. I will show you all the projects that I have earning passive income right now. These are not my spot positions because I have Ethereum, I have Bitcoin, I have many other altcoins. This is a portfolio that I have in projects that give me a high yield, which have a lot of risk because are new projects. I started to do this in the middle of February. So I will share with you my investments on those projects and how everything is going. This is the first video of a series of videos that I will be doing because I have the goal with these investments to earn $1,000 per day. So that will be $30,000 per month. That will be the first goal for this. So I will go directly to the spreadsheet that I have. So this is my journey to $1,000 per day. These are the projects right now that I have invested. I don't have the exact dates for here, but in this project I entered it like in the middle of February or beginning of March, around that area. And in the last projects I have been entering, it was a couple of days ago with Safuu Finance, the same with Safuu. So we are going to review all that. Here I have the URL of all the applications. I will put everything in the description of the video. I enter into Thor Finance. This is one of the biggest projects that I put more money in. This value is USD value. So this is the money that I put first. This is how many tokens I bought at that moment and how many nodes I bought. Many of these projects are nodes as a service projects like Thor Financial or Redlight Nodes. Other nodes are already with NFT, so are a little different. Or other projects like Safuu or Safuu are not a node project. You just farm and yield, only holding their token. So the mixture of types of project that we have here is very vast. So it's not just its nodes project. So consider that. Let me show you a little bit about the projects first. So one of the ones that I enter is Pocket Network. This is very different to the other projects, and for me it's a more safe project, even if I am really down on price for that, because this has their own blockchain. It's node. I bought a node, but they're really a node, a really hardware node running right now using Pocket Pool. So I have been earning passive income on this in a daily basis, and this working really well even if we are really down right now. A couple of days ago we have been at $1, so it's not that bad. I have very good feeling about Pocket Network in the future, and I enter at $1.30. Right now it's almost half of that, 40% down. Pocket Network, you can see that here is at 2,900 position, but that is because market cap doesn't have really the data for that. But if you check Pocket Network in CoinGecko, you will see that it's at position 117. So this is a very powerful project. We are above the $500 million in market cap. So this is not a scam. This is a really nice project. So Pocket Network is, I think, my more secure bet right now, even if I am not earning too much. And I put a lot of money on that, $21,000 at that moment. And this is the initial amount of tokens that I bought. 15,000 tokens is what you needed for one node. and I have been compounding from middle of February or the end of March, and right now this is the amount of tokens that I have for Pocket Network. So I am making around 70 daily tokens, which is right now at the current price, of course, $54 per day. Here you have approximately the amount of tokens that I earn in each project in daily basis. This is the price that I enter. This is the current price of the project just minutes ago. This is the daily return that the project aims to tell that you are going to earn. So basically this is what the project say that you are going to earn. But because the price goes down or up, this is my real daily percentage. So for example, Thor Financial say that you're going to earn 1.02 with each Odin node. But because I enter at this price and I am really low on the price action, my real daily percentage is not this, because I will consider that in terms of my real investment. So I have a different calculation for that. So in Thor Financial, I did the most big purchase. I really bought at the level that I thought it was good. I bought at $27,000 and I got 13 nodes. For Thor, you have 4 types of nodes. I have mentioned this in my video for Thor Financial. I will put the link on the description where I explain my strategy with Thor nodes. But basically I have the 14 Odin nodes. Then I have 2 of the other each nodes to be God mode. Here I have the total amount because I enter in 2 different moments at different prices. I put it 2 rows here considering like a different project, but it's the same project. So I enter at 42 and 28. Right now we are at 16. Has been a lot of sell pressure. This is what happened with all these nodes projects and DeFi farming projects, is that even if you get a really nice percentage, like for example a 5 daily percentage with Redlight Nodes, the appreciation of the token goes every day down. Maybe it could be for the situation of the market right now, but there's a lot of sell pressure besides what Bitcoin does and the market does. So right now Thor Financial have some news about how to avoid sell pressure, putting more taxes on how it will cost you if you want to sell the tokens. But that is all for happening. I think that will make the price go back at least to 28 and 30. So that will be very good for my portfolio because I invested a lot in Thor Financial. Pocket Network, I already covered it. For Thor Financial, I am doing $225 per day approximately. Then Pocket Network, that I already covered, Redlight Nodes, and this is a very interesting project where you can get mansions, districts and cities. I didn't do any video about Redlight Nodes, but of course also has been going down. You can see this, always going down. This is usually what happens with all these projects. They don't have a really good system for the sell pressure on the protocol. So you need to increase your amount and compounding to get more nodes in order to get some balance on the down of the price. This doesn't mean that the project is not good. Actually, Redlight Nodes is creating their own blockchains. So I am bullish on them. There has been some controversies because they put to stop the sell pressure, they put a tax on the mansions for sale, like a 50% of tax. So that really stopped the downtrend. So at some point I could say, well, right now this is a really good time to enter into Redlight Nodes district projects, but I really don't know. This can continue going to $1 or even less. So I will not recommend any of these projects, and I didn't do any particular video for Redlight Nodes, but it's my third biggest investment here. And I have 7 districts and 55 mansions right now. And this is giving me a total of 95 tokens. I will not go in the detail of how I calculate that amount because it depends on how much rewards give you the mansions, the districts, and maybe you are not familiar with the project. So basically at that level, it's giving me $235 per day. This is one of the projects that give you more APR, and right now it's at 5% in mansions. So each mansion costs you 20 tokens, and you will get 1 token per day as a reward. So that is a 5% return, so it's very big. But remember that in all these projects you have taxes for sell, you also have taxes for claim your tokens and all that. So after this math you need to really make your own calculations in order to really know how much money you will get from these projects. Atlas Cloud was my worst investment. I entered really high. I spent $5,000 in one node only that costed 10 tokens. I bought, each token was $500 at that moment, and right now we are at $70. I did a video of Atlas Cloud, but please don't go into that. I already have the news that the founders are going out of the project, so the project will be dying very soon, so don't enter into Atlas Cloud. So basically, I didn't lose this $5,000 because I was earning during almost 2 months, and I put that earnings into other projects, but I didn't recover my $5,000. I needed 3 months to that, and I didn't get it. So yeah, Atlas Cloud is dying, so don't enter. Then we have the Tavern. This was for Atlas Cloud. This is the dashboard for the Tavern, where you can purchase breweries or home kits. It's a really interesting project. You need to connect with your wallet, of course, with MetaMask or any of that. I have 5 breweries right now that already passed the fermentation period and the tier 1. So these 5 nodes are giving me 15 tokens per day. This is the current price. You can see that I am down in almost all the projects. So yeah, this is what happened with this project. That is the high risk. Yeah, this will give me 2% daily. So right now this gives me $44 per day. This is, most of the projects are running in the Avalanche platform. Polkadot Network has their own network. Atlas Cloud was in Phantom, but many of them are in Avalanche. I have 2 projects on Binance Smart Chain and 1 in Polygon. The next one is Elephant Money. Elephant Money has been with the problem that they have an exploit, so the Elephant token is really low, but I didn't enter into that, so it didn't affect me. Elephant Money, I did a video about Elephant Money. I think it's a very good project. And they have 2 parts. One is their own token, but then they have a token called Trunk, where you can earn passive income with a stable coin. This is the token that was the part that was hacked. So for Elephant Trunk, you can use this in Stampede perpetual bonds and get some passive income with a stable coin, which is paired with the BUSD. So that is why I am investing on that project. I put initially $2,740, less the tax for entering. This is the amount of tokens at $1 that I bought. Because I have been compounding, this is the amount of tokens that I have right now, and I get a 0.56% daily. So right now this is $17 on this, but even if this is more low than another yield platforms, I'm confident because it's a stable coin, so you don't have much risk. You have the project risk itself, but we don't have all this downtrend on the price action for this. The next one is Safuu Finance. I did a video yesterday about Safuu Finance, so you can check it. It's a very good video and I explain all there. Safuu Finance has been doing exponentially since I entered a couple of days ago. I put $990 only, and I got 70,226 tokens. Right now, once you buy the tokens, you don't need to do anything else. It's not like a node, so you don't need to pay fees for maintenance or anything, and you will get auto compounder. So right now, this is the real amount of tokens that I have. I entered at 5 cents, and right now the price is 9 cents and 49. So I almost doubled the price of my tokens, and I earn more tokens. So my $990 investment right now is like 1,500. So I will wait a little more. And of course, what you always need to do in these cases is take out your initial investment. Even if this is not too much for me, I will take it out. So I will only leave here, continuing compounding the amount of money less my investment. So I will never lose anything else. So Safuu Finance is really good. I cannot recommend you to enter anyways because it's already at 9 cents. But the chart has been really good, and I mentioned that in the video. Even Bitcoin has been going down. This is from the 21st of March, already in the market. All this time Bitcoin is going down and these projects continue going up. So that is a really nice news. One big YouTuber is behind this project, so that gives me confidence. After that we have Redlight Nodes. I am not so bullish on this project neither. Of course has been going down always like many other projects. We have some recovery here, but we are going down again, so don't have much expectation on this project. But you can see that I just put $600 on that, and in project Egnos put $486, and this is giving me $2. You can see that it's really low what it's giving me. The same for Safuu, only $370. Why these low amounts? Well, for all these projects that have their asterisk, these are projects that I put money that I earn with these projects. So it's not new money that I've invested. The only project that I really put USDT value that I have was these projects. So the rest from here to here are projects that I entered, but I use my earnings to enter into this project. Even the Tavern with $4,000. So I need to count that as a part of my investment, but it's a little different. So all those projects are projects that I invested with money that I already earned with the other projects. So my total investment, like you can see, is $93,000, counting everything here. Right now I am doing around $600, $613 per day. This is a 6.65% daily. So I think I am not doing it really bad, besides the price action, because like you can see, I am down in all the projects, and also in the important ones that I invested more. So yeah, I am hoping that many of these will recover, especially Thor. I think will recover with the new taxes that I have for selling. So I will be in better position there. And with the current data that I have here, I need 152 days to recover my investment, but this changes every day, so I cannot be confident on that. I already have been almost 2 months in a couple of these projects, in another 1 month, and in another a couple of days. So I need to continue bringing power into this and continue this journey to earn $1,000 daily. I am at the half of the way, and remember that for this amount I need to discount some taxes that I have if I really wanted to sell, but I didn't put that because it's really detailed information that I will not bore you guys. So I hope this serves you to find out some projects. If you want my advice to enter or not into any of these projects, for example, I am still confident on Thor Financial, that I'm doing updates. There are 20 guys, so the team is growing. There are not a small node project. It's one of the first ones, besides Strong, of course, but it's a really good project, a lot of community, but I've been confident with the project. Besides, we are really down on the price action, like I said. So with Thor and Pocket Network, I feel confident for the long term, medium term, like 1 year or the next month. I think they are not going anywhere. A little less confident with Redlight Nodes. There has been some controversial things on that. And for the other projects, I really cannot recommend any of these one. I think there are many risks on all of this. Of course, please don't enter into Atlas Cloud because it's really dying. The Tavern, I think, is a good project. I don't know how much sustainability they can have. I really like Safuu because what I have been earning from that. I regret I didn't put a lot of money here because I am almost doubling in 1 week. But this is also lucky. Beyond the rest of the project, I am not super bullish. I like Elephant, like I said, because I can earn in passive income in a stable coin, but they hack a part of the ecosystem, so you need to be careful on that. But I will continue entering into new projects for sure, and I will continue making these videos if you like. So please, if you never put a comment on my YouTube videos, this is the time to start doing it. Put your comments below if you like it, this transparency. These numbers are all true. I am not hiding anything from you guys. I could change this and say that I enter into lower prices, but this is the reality, and I will want to be transparent with you and inspire you in any way that is possible. So again, I want to say that maybe this is a lot of money for you, $93,000, or maybe it's really low amount for your investment. That doesn't matter. You need to focus on percentages and strategy. And even if your higher project has $100, that is okay. But you need to start making passive income, because I am doing money on this also when I sleep, and that is what you need to do. It's not only worth it to trade actively during the day. You need to start growing your wealth using passive income strategies, and all this project is one of those. So again, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. If you liked this video, put your comments below. What do you think about these strategies, these videos? Can you recommend me any other nodes project or DeFi project for farming or get passive incomes? I will research and see if it will be included in any new video. But this is my strategy right now, guys. Not completely super happy with everything what happened here, but I am learning during the way, and I hope you join me on this journey to $1,000 per day. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.